Hi there, this is Ankita Sahu from India, and this is my CS50 final project, a web page. Hailing from the city of temples, I thought if I did something that represented my culture and created awareness among the people who at least share the same culture as mine, because we are losing what our ancestors gave us in the urge of rapid modernization, we've forgotten our architecture and history. So, with the help of technology, why can't we just reach out the younger masses and let them know what our origins are? Thus, I took up the Konark Temple, which is not only an excellent piece to portray a Kalinga architecture, but also holds great geographical significance. This website has 5 sections. On the top right corner of the web page, and if you slide an arrow key, you will find a smooth effect. This was done with the help of CSS. Well, beginning with the home icon, it simply refreshes the page and redirects you back to the home page. Followed by the Me section that basically has an input box, and if you type in any text, out here I'll be typing in my name and click on the submit button. By default, a message was set that is going to display that you won't find any information regarding me. Now, returning back to the home page. Then we have the gallery that has certain images which almost covers the entire monument. If you take a closer look, I've added a hover effect that helps these images have a raised or pop-up effect. There is another feature out here. If you minimize the screen and adjust it, you can see that the images adjust themselves according to different conditions. This feature was added with the help of Bootstrap. Well, getting back to the home section, now moving to the about section. It is the most basic information about Konark, and at the bottom you can also find an info button which leads the user to the Wiki page, and one can find every single piecewise information regarding the entire monuments, its cultural significance, its history, etc. Now we can get back to our home page. Lastly, we do have the contact section that has a fill-up form and a submit button. In this page, we've used Bootstrap, where if the user does not input anything inside the form, then the submit form won't get enabled. You see, you just cannot send anything if you don't input anything. Now, getting back to the home page. Below this title, we do have 2 more buttons, the Watch Video button and the More Info button. If you click on the Watch Video button, then it leads you to YouTube, and out here you can type in Konark and get all the necessary information in a video format regarding this entire monument. Well, getting back to the home page, we also have a More Info button. Well, it's basically another gallery, but it's quite different from the previous one. As you can see, we have certain buttons here. These buttons do not have a smooth effect like the ones in the home page, but they have something else to do. I hope you've marked all these 9 images here. Well, what if I click on the entrance button? We're going to have 3 images that basically deal with the entrance of the entire monument. What if I click on the chariot button? It displays those images which are that of the chariot in that monument. What basically this gallery does is, it enables you to be selective in what you exactly want to see, and it displays it accordingly. Well, this was the end of all the features present on my web page. I do have a logo out here. And lastly, I'd say that all these images have been taken from Google. And I'd also thank CS50 for enabling me to complete my project and create my first ever web page. Thank you.